May is Mental Health Awareness Month. But honestly, if you asked me, mental health is something that we should be talking about all year round, not just in the month of May. Because so many of us are walking around exhausted, anxious, and overwhelmed, and pretending that we are fine even when we are not. So today, I want us to have a quick, real discussion. Just you and I. You look tired, not just physically, but mentally. Your mind is constantly racing. Your chest feels tight. You're just tired of being tired. I get it. Life is pulling you in all different directions. You have work, family, responsibilities, bills to meet up. And you've been trying to hold all this together for so long. It's starting to show. Not on the outside, maybe, but you can feel it. Let's talk about this for a second. Because your mental health really matters. It is not something we need to push aside or ignore. As a nurse, I see it all the time. People come in with physical symptoms like headaches, chest pain, palpitation, insomnia, and sometimes it's not just actually their body, but it is actually the weight on their mind, stress, anxiety, emotional exhaustion. It is real and it creeps up when you don't take care of yourself. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you actually took a break? I'm not talking about a vacation, break from phone or from social media. Those breaks you took to have time for yourself, like a moment to breathe. Sitting in silence so you can actually listen to your heartbeat. Checking in with yourself, asking yourself question, how am I doing? How am I coping? Self-care isn't just about going for a spa day, doing some shopping, or having some skincare routine. No, it is canceling those plans because you need to rest. It is saying no to those extra shifts. It is turning off your phone at 9 p.m. so you can have a deserved 8 to 7 hours rest. It is eating real food. I'm not talking about junks or those fast food, no. I'm talking about real whole food, nutritious food. Drinking water and going to bed before midnight. And you need to know this. Rest isn't something that you need to earn. You deserve it. So you need to always have rest. You deserve to feel okay. You deserve peace, even in the middle of a busy life. One thing that has really helped me when I'm stressed, and it's something that I always share with others, is mindfulness. It is not complicated. Mindfulness is all about bringing you back to the present when your minds are thousands away from you. So all you just have to do is to sit in a quiet place, take a moment to breathe in and out, and as you do this, you focus on your breathing. You try to feel the air that flows through your body. You do this every day. Over time, it adds up and it actually makes a difference in helping you to deal with stress. So when next that you are so overwhelmed and your minds are thousands of far away from you, just try to practice this mindfulness and you'll be so wowed on how relieved you will feel after that 60 seconds exercise. So the next thing I want us to talk about is setting boundaries, because I know it is very difficult to do. But you see, you are not a machine. So you are allowed to say no to requests. You are allowed to rest without giving an explanation. You need to know this. I just wish people can actually believe that in today's world, it is okay to slow down. It is okay not to be okay. It is okay to take care of yourself first, because you can never pour out from an empty cup. If you really care so much for your loved ones, for your spouse, your kids, your parents, your siblings, friends around you and you want to give them the best, then you have to be in a good place to be able to do that. Because when your mind is healthy, you show up better for everyone around you, for your family, your work, and also your future. Now that we've had this heart to heart talk, I want you to do one thing for yourself today. Just one. Whatever this might be. 5 minutes alone. If you can do this for yourself every day, if you can be able to create 5 minutes alone for yourself, it will go a long way in helping you to be mentally stable. Try and have a good meal. A good meal is so important because it helps our body to heal from stress, exhaustion, or whatever you can think of. The assured way that you can actually have a good meal is when you make this meal yourself, or except if you have a cook. Eating fast food every day is not going to guarantee you that, because fast food meal, it is not healthy. I don't know how to cook, it's not an excuse. There are a lot of thousands of videos online where you can actually learn how to cook. Try and do some exercises. Try and take a walk sometimes without your phone, just to clear your head. Remember, always say no to things that is going to drain you. Anything that will cost you your peace or happiness, run from it. That is one act of self-care. And this is where healing starts. If any of this actually spoke to you, share it with someone you think needs to hear this as well. And thank you for watching. See you in my next video.